How to delete Tonkeeper Wallet account. For that, you need to first of all launch your Tonkeeper wallet. Here, tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to just scroll down a bit, and here you will have the third last option that would say delete account. So tap on the delete account option, and then it will show you this type of pop-up that would say wallet keys or all personal data will be erased from this device. So you just have to simply tap on this option that would say I have a backup copy of recovery phrase for wallet, and then you need to tap on the delete wallet data option in the bottom. So once you tap on delete, your Tonkeeper wallet will be deleted permanently. However, if you want to recover it, then you must have the secret recovery phrase, so you can try login into your account with the help of the secret recovery phrase. So you need to make sure that you have already backed it up. If you haven't done that, then tap on the backup option, and after that press continue, then provide your passcode, and then you just have to simply copy the backup. So this way you will be able to delete your Tonkeeper wallet. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.